something amazing, and I'm talking about social media here because we're living in the age of social media, and I end up showing off to the degree that the bulk of the people who are going to see it don't have anything near what I have. What am I doing? Am I not poking fun at them? Am I not making them burn? Subhanallah. You know, yesterday someone sent me a post of one of the events that happened a few days ago, and I happened to read the comments. I spoke a little bit about it yesterday, but I want to mention a different point today. I happened to read some of the comments, and some of the guys were saying, you know, these sheikhs make a lot of money out of this, you know, and I know it's a lie. And then someone was saying, oh, you know this, and you know the free mixing, and you know this, and they picked on every negativity that wasn't even there.